They're aware. They'll be in contact with you guys in the morning.
Okay.
There you go. If you could just sign and print for me.
The back one too, right?
Yes, that's your copy in there in the middle. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
So it is all yours. So it does drive, so.
Yeah, that'll make it a little bit easier.
Yep. But you can't forget you're a convicted felon and have firearms.
So I was told that it's, well, I mean, of course, convicted felons can't, but I heard that Florida's now
Constitutional carry.
so you don't have to have.
You just have to be able to meet the criteria.
What's the criteria?
If you can apply for the license, like if you're eligible to apply for a CCW, that's all you got. You just have to meet their criteria for that. And if anybody who's from another state who is eligible to meet our criteria gets the same privileges.
Oh, cool.
So
I could, other than in commercial vehicle, I can concealed carry or open carry or whatever.
Yep.
Without having my license. Cool.
I can tell you, read the statutes though, because there's always going to be that one person that's going to try and see how far they can get away with.
Oh yeah. I mean, I would still concealed carry just.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm talking about like the troopers. I've seen too many that have done stuff like that, but that's
try and push.
I would review all the statutes. Is the best thing. The best recommendation I would tell you: read all the statutes.
I mean, I was still gonna get my concealed carry anyways.
That's the best thing to do. I had one. Obviously, I don't have one anymore. Well, I don't have one anymore, but because of what I do.
Yeah.
So, yeah, read the statute very thoroughly. If you have any questions on the statutes, just get with us.
Yeah.
Because I will tell you there's always that one guy.
Yeah. I mean, I can go to the DMV if I make an appointment, take my license and DD 214 and do all my stuff and wait on it in the mail.
Department of Ag's the one who does it.
Well,
so, yeah.
At the DMV.
Yeah, you can get all your requirement stuff there. I'll tell you, when I did mine, I didn't get mine for 8 weeks, so it took quite a while.
My buddy was waiting for like 2.5 months for his.
Oh yeah. And I had everything, and even a guy who did I took it to the Department of Ag office, had them look at it. They go, everything is absolutely in line. I'm like, okay. So when should I expect it? Oh, you should expect it in 2 weeks. 2 months later. Yeah. So.
Jeez.
But she is all yours, sir.